Hello, I'm delighted to tell you about our Karin Herzog anti-wrinkle Step 1 Vita A Kombi 1. Formulated with 1% oxygen and vitamin A, it provides all the oxygenation, hydration and vitamin essential for the production of collagen for the skin from age 25. For an ideal efficiency, it's important to apply it correctly to your skin. Take a small amount of cream and spread it over the face without massaging. Avoid applying the cream directly to the lashes or eyebrows, as this can lighten the color with time. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the cream to penetrate and provide all the essential elements it contains under the skin. You can brush your teeth or drink a small coffee. 3 minutes goes by fast. If you feel some tingling, it's normal. Oxygen is released under your skin. It is important to bring the active ingredients necessary for the production of collagen under the skin, where the cells are alive and produce the different fibers that makes the skin beautiful. The 2-3 minutes have passed. You can see that the cream has almost all penetrated. You can massage the rest and apply your sun protection cream on top or your loose powder for the final touch.